My name is Gabriella from Germany, from the University of Applied Sciences in Kempten in Bavaria, and I'm very grateful to be here. And today I gave a presentation about how to write a grant proposal in the context of European funding programs. So the reason for this workshop was to make my colleagues here at the esteemed Rwamagana Campus with the requirements of the European Union when it comes to grant proposal writings, as they are, as some say, a science of their own. So they're not as other applications, but you have to take a lot of things into your mind, not to forget them, like very special terms and buzzwords and so on. So I hope that the participants of this today's presentation will take away those information I gave them about to prepare carefully this application. It takes a lot of time to find an appropriate consortium, as it's not an application for an individual but for a group of let's say lecturers of a university. Especially when it comes to capacity building program applications, there are so many requirements that it is recommended to first start as a partner of a consortium, not as a coordinator, to gain some experience first. And then, once you have been participating in such a project, once you've got familiar with all the processes, procedures and whatever, then probably you can start to initiate a project of your own as a coordinator. And the good thing is also that you can, even as an African country, can submit such applications in the EU funding and tender portal. So some mistakes you can make is to start not early enough. As I said, it takes a lot of time to prepare, to find the consortium, to really elaborate the text for this application, to also create a proper project plan, working plan and so on. And so you better start too early than too late. What means too late? Too late is specifically when you start only like 2 months even before the deadline. This is not enough time, so better give yourself like 6 months or something like that. Make yourself familiar with all the requirements, read very carefully the handbook, try to participate in info sessions given by the European Union, and also try to find some mentor who would like to guide you through the whole process. So this is what I can say. And last word, never give up. It's very likely that your proposal will be rejected the first time, probably even the second time, but I really recommend not giving up, because every application is a learning process and makes you grow. Thank you.
I'm Dr. James Kamhanda. I was one of the participants of this training. This training which was entitled Proper Proposal Writing. It was very nice, we have enjoyed it. There was a lot of experiences shared. We have gathered a lot of information. Another thing that we have just gained, why was it important? It was important because this training, you may write a proposal, a good proposal, but you don't know where are you going to put it. Because you are writing proposals for fun. We are not writing proposals to keep them. So this was a good opportunity to know where can we submit our proposals, how can we write good proposals, and where can we just get funding. So we are given more opportunities, more sources, more places where we can put our proposal that we have just made. So this day was very good, and this day has assisted us as the participants to gain more insight on where we can apply for funding. Thank you.